We're here at Printing United at the Fiery booth. I'm here with Kevin, and we want to talk to you, of course, about the famous Fiery Rip software, Digital Factory 11. I know there's new stuff coming. Talk to me about a little bit about Digital Factory 11 and why I should love it.
Well, it's pretty user friendly, and it's a queue-based system. So when you're using the software, you can set up queues for black shirts, white shirts, colored shirts, and it's very seamless working with it because you can import basically any type of file format, whether it be a PDF file, a JPEG file, a TIFF file, an AI file. It automatically underbase it, and it will have the proper white amounts, whether the image has transparencies, vector, or whatever gradients in the image. It's also got plugins where you can actually knock colors out of an image and use the shirt as the colors. So if the image has got red in it, the shirt's red, it'll knock the red out and will save you ink. Got things like resampling artwork. If you've got a low-res image, it will resample the job for you automatically in the rip when you're bringing it in. And it's user-friendly. There's videos on our YouTube site. We have a compass program. When you click on a feature, it automatically directs you to our YouTube site, shows you content in the index. It'll show you the video. We're implementing the Fiery in the version 12, some of their engine in the front end for profiling, which we're really excited about. That'll be coming out in early December. But there's quite a bit of tools. There's a GIMP editing program, so you don't even need to own Photoshop. So that's free. It's shareware. So for a lot of these customers, they don't want to pay subscriptions every month for Photoshop. We've got GIMP in the program, and it supports cutters. So if you want to cut your jobs out down the road, so we've got all the tools that you need in one package to make a successful business.
What's the 30-second, the 15-second pitch for here's why you're going to love it?
I think it's the ease of use, the support with the videos. It's a queue-based system. So really, you're just bringing your job in and you're sending it off because all your queues are preset with all your white underbase, your choke amounts, how you want to send the file out, whether you want it to rip and print and hold, or you want to rip and print and send it immediately. We've got automatic job sorters. So if you got a hot folder set up, you want to set up some rules in automatic job sorter where you can throw your files into a hot folder and they'll disperse it into all the different queues, which makes it very easy to manage a more complex workflow.
So simple to use. Sounds like some automation you're gonna have obviously growing into the future. It's just a great option if you're interested in having a good solid rip, easy to set up, easy to work with, and like you said, all the support.
Exactly. You got Fiery communities. You've got the YouTube site. The dealers are all trained on the product. So there's quite a bit of support, and I think it's once you get it set up, it's pretty much plug and play.
Plug and play. You heard it from the man himself. Fiery. We're here at Printing United. Thank you, guys.